Hey guys, how are you all? I'm fine, happy to see you and you're watching this vlogging with Yashwan. In this video, what we're gonna see is our electricity kit project number 2. What we're gonna see is electricity like LED light and like in Christmas tree. You're gonna see that in this video. Okay, I hope the video will be enjoyable and interesting. So watch till the end, don't skip the video. Now let's go into the video. But before going, like, comment and share it and subscribe for the channel. It will be very motivated to me to upload more videos. Now let's go into the video. First, let me take our new project, the equipments, this Xmas tree lamp, push pin, battery connector, one HW high watt battery, and switches and LED lights. Now let's get started. First, you have to take this battery sticker. Let me take that. Okay. Now give the battery here, and it's a easy project. Now let's connect this. Just take one switch and keep here. Connect red wire and black wire. Let me connect that. 1 second. Then you have to connect up to here. Yes. Now next one. So okay guys, now I connected this. You can see what happened. Yes guys, see this, how clearly it's coming. Yes, now let me off the light and show you. Yes guys, you can see this, you can see this, you can see this. Yes, now let me keep the Xmas tree. Yes guys, you can see I kept the Xmas tree. You can see up also. Okay, I think you cannot see that, but you can see this, how brightly it's coming. Let me keep it. Yes guys, now let me meet you in cam.